Hey guys, we're at Pacific Mall or whatever. We secured the bag. There's lots of stuff to do here. It's a really cute mall if you haven't been here. But yeah, we're here mostly just to get rolled ice cream, egg waffles, basically just get food. So yeah, but we're both wearing blue or whatever. But yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Bye. Case store at Pacific Mall, and Loki, I tell her to get this. Show the case, heart case for her iPhone 13 or whatever. She should get it. Comment down below. Hey guys, there's boba. We can get boba later. I guess we can just go here later. We're probably gonna get rolled ice cream right now because the waffle place is kind of full. So let's go. It's over there. But yeah, Pacific Mall is low-key scary. But yeah, there's a Filipino place there too. It's right here. The Pinoy waffles. Dito na lang tayo. Oh my gosh, I remember her. Sige. We just ordered waffles from Pinoy Waffles at, I almost said Pina Colada. We're gonna probably walk around and see for other foods before we get the rolled ice cream, but yeah. Oh, by the way, this is like a mini vlog, hopefully, but yeah. Bye! So we're at Style in Pacific Mall, and we got we got 3 black masks of 50 for 10 bucks. I zoned out. Wait. There's 50 masks. 50 in each?
50
in
each.
Ooh.
So then that's 150 masks.
Whoa, look at us go.
You wanna go
but for $10. It's not bad. Basically, I don't know, we just hung out basically. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I'm gonna turn out the camera. That is adorable. Okay, but let's go inside. Okay, see you. Bye. Never mind, that wasn't an outro. I have to bring Nikki home, and her mom made us cake. Cake.
She made you biko yata.
No, it was ube and leche flan cake.
Cake. Ube and leche flan biko.
Oh, it's not cake. It's what she said, biko. It's like sticky rice, right? But yeah. Period. This is a fit we don't.
crazy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Almost
goodness.
sprained my ankle
Again. I don't know if I got that on video, but if I got that on video, I'm gonna repeat it. Sorry, Nikki. No,
First time.
so long story short, Nikki sprained her ankle right here when there was ice. was there a CP, is there cameras out here?
No.
Well, she fell and she hopped home. But yeah, okay, bye. Period. You can play volleyball with that. Where'd you get that?
I have a volleyball.
You're a volleyball. But yeah, period. Secured the bag. But yeah, going home. Before I entered their house, I took off my shoes, right? Because I'm Filipino, and my sock was completely off of my foot. I would show you, but there's people who watch my videos who have foot fetishes, so I'm not trying to do that. But yeah, bye. Peace. Bye, Nikki. Bye. Thank you for enjoying. Thank you for watching this short mini vlog. See you later. Bye.
Hi out the ants people. It's me.
Bye. Wait. Bye. Bye.
Why is it so awkward?